Hello everyone. Today we will learn a very important topic in maths, which is simplify algebraic expressions. While we are working with simplification of algebraic expressions, we have to take care of two very important points. The first one is we have to write the like terms together. Now the question is, what are like terms? Like terms are like 3x square plus 2x square minus 5x square minus 7x square. Then 3abc plus 2abc minus 5abc. Then 3a square b plus 7a square b minus 9a square b. So you can see, if I will take into account the first example, the alphabet along with the power is same, x square, x square, x square, x square. And here, if you will see, all the alphabets ABC, 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 they are same. So you have to take care of the alphabets and their powers. That should be same in all the terms. Those terms are called as like terms. Then the second point, which is also very important, you have to take care of the positive and the negative signs. And for that, you should know more about the integers. If you are still worried about integers, I have already shared one video related to integers. Just watch it for your better understanding. So the knowledge of integers is very important while we are going to simplify the algebraic expressions. So these 2 points are very, very important. Now let's begin with the example. Now here the question says that we have to subtract this whole value from this whole value. So we'll write down 4L into 10N minus 3M plus 12 first. Then we'll put a negative sign, then a bracket. 3L, L minus 4M plus 5N. Whenever there is a negative sign and after the negative sign you are writing too many values, then always write those values within the bracket. Otherwise, if you will not write this negative sign and the bracket together, then you will always make a mistake whenever you have to simplify the algebraic expressions. Now let's open the brackets. 4L into 10N plus 4L into minus 3M plus 4L into 2L. There are many students who will directly do 4 into 10. 40, then L into N is ln. But make sure you will start with this. Once you are good in it, then try to do it directly. Otherwise, don't go directly, because there are many students who are making a mistakes in these signs. Plus, minus, what should I write? Plus or minus. But when you are going to do this way, you will never ever make any mistake related to the signs. Now, minus, we have to solve this bracket. 3L into L plus 3L into minus 4M plus 3L into 5N, bracket close. Now 4 into 10, 40 ln plus 4 into minus 3 minus 12 L into M lm plus 4 into 2, 8 L into L, L square minus bracket 3 L into L, L square plus 3 minus 4 minus 12 Lm plus 3 into 5 plus 15 Ln. Now we will open this bracket. 40 Ln minus 12 Lm plus 8 L square minus, now this minus sign will distribute to all the values within the bracket. So minus 3 L square minus into minus will be plus 12 Lm minus into plus minus 15 Ln. Now we have to write the like terms together. Underline first value 40 Ln. Find out, is there any other Ln? Yes, we have. Write on that also. Underline that so that you will not miss any of the values in the question. Then we'll underline minus 12 Lm. Find out, is there any other Lm? Yes, we have. Underline that also. Plus 12 Lm. Then we have a next value plus 8L square. Do we have any other L square? Yes, we have minus 3L square. So when I underline these values, I know I have already written all the values below it. Now we have to solve the like terms together. 40 minus 15. That means it is equals to 25 ln. Then minus 12 and plus 12. That means 0. So we'll just cancel it and we never write the 0 in the answer. So we won't write anything about lm. Then plus 8 minus 3 means plus 5 l square. So your answer is 25 ln plus 5 l square. So this way you can solve any questions to simplify the algebraic expressions. I will keep on posting few questions related to simplifying the algebraic expressions. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe so that I can help you to learn maths in a proper way with the proper steps. Thanks for watching.